Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. In this video, I will guide you on how to log into HSBC Credit Card account. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. Now before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any videos from our channel. Now let's get into the video. Now the first thing you need to do is to open a web browser on your PC. Now on your URL bar, type in hsbc.co.in and press enter on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, you will be landed to its official homepage. Now from here, you will be able to see login button at the top right of your screen. Now tap on it and there you will taken to the next page where you have to type in your username of HSBC Online Banking. Now if you want your system to remember your username, tick this Remember Me box, and if you're using shared or others device, then make sure to uncheck this box. Now tap on Continue button if you're done with typing in your username. And then you will ask to enter your account password. Type in your password correctly and then tap on Sign In button. Now once you get logged into your HSBC bank account, you will be able to see Credit Card tab. Tap on that tab and you will be able to get access to HSBC credit cards. Now that was the short and simple video on how to get login to your HSBC credit card online. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.